Welcome back to another episode of Home Sweet Home Cooking. I am Rocky, your host, as always, in my mother's kitchen. My mom, Kathy, is sitting off to the side. Hi, cousin Audrey. So we've got today a very simple recipe. Gonna get right to it. It is a Parmesan and garlic chicken pasta. Very simple to do. It calls for 2 pounds of chicken breast in a crock pot. I'm going to go a little more than that. I got about 2.5 pounds in there because that's the size of the chicken we had. We'll have enough for another meal of some sort. It calls for a 12-ounce bottle of the Parmesan garlic wing sauce. We're using the Buffalo Wild Wings brand. Walmart makes their own brand. The Walmart brand, as they say, is a little bit spicier. So if you want a little bit spicier, a little bit hotter, you can go with that. Or if you, and this is going to be plenty spicy the way it is as well. 1 cup of milk. You're going to want to pour the milk into the wing sauce bottle. The wing sauce bottle is 12 ounces, so you want to use about 2/3 of that. That'll probably do it. And then you want to shake the bottle to get the rest of that wing sauce out.
Shake it, but don't break it.
Shake it, but don't break it. Shake it like a Polaroid picture. You gotta shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your, okay, so 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, shredded. 1 8-ounce package of, what is this stuff called? Cream cheese, diced into cubes. And you want it in the crock pot, not on the countertop. And you're just gonna give that a stir. You're gonna turn the crock pot on for low. Let it go for 3 to 4 hours. If you want to do it on high, 2 to 3 hours. Once that's done, you're going to pull the chicken out, you're going to shred it, put the chicken back in, and the final step before we come back is we're going to boil 1 pound of the spiral pasta and get that drained, and we'll come back and we'll mix it all together and we'll show you what it looks like when it's done. But it's that simple, folks. We'll be back in a little bit. It has been about 4 hours. I did bump it up to high for a little bit. My chicken was falling a little bit behind. Just temped them. They're up to 165, 170, so they're definitely cooked through. I'm going to take the chicken breast out because they're going to have to get shredded. And if you've ever tried to shred chicken when it's hot like this, especially when it's saucy, you're going to burn the snot out of your fingers. So I want to try something. One of the items that I'm testing, we got a smoker a while back, and I went ahead and got some silicone mitts. I'm trying these as for smoking and for the air fryer, and to see if I can do crazy things. So this is either going to be a success or a failure. It's going to be one or the other, right, Mom?
That's right.
Alright, so, I'm supposed to leave that open. Now these are, being silicone, they're hot mitts, so you can grab hot things, and seeing this chicken is hot and saucy, but it does have grippies on it. So I'm hoping that I can just shred the chicken. Oh wow. Ma, check this out.
What?
I'm shredding chicken just by grabbing with these gloves. This is so easy.
You like that?
Oh, this is so easy, folks. I found a new use for these oven-safe heat mitts, silicone gloves. I'm just grabbing the chicken and just giving it a little zhuzh with my fingers. She's coming right apart. My hands aren't hot at all. Now I just, earlier today, what was left of this chicken we put in the air fryer as an oven, cooked it through to use it for other meals, and I shredded that with 2 forks, and I'll tell you what, that was, my arthritis was starting to get to me now. Granted, this doesn't feel great squeezing it like this because of my arthritis, but that's a lot easier than 2 forks. Look at that, huh?
Yeah. I got a new toy today. We'll let you know how it works out later.
Yeah, she got herself an immersion blender, so
I get to immerse you and blend you.
Yeah, try. Okay, I didn't say it was a perfect solution. But
It got the job done.
yep. I'm gonna go ahead and put the shredded chicken back in and give it a stir, give it a mix, and we're gonna go ahead and start on boiling the rotini, and we'll get back to you when the pasta is boiled. Alright, pasta is cooked through to the al dente stage. It's just a little firm. Go ahead and turn this off and unplug it. Now if you had a bigger crock pot, you could just mix the noodles in the crock pot. Because I put in 3 breasts instead of 2, I don't think I've got room to put the pasta in the crock pot, so I'm going to pour the crock pot on top of the pasta. Now I'm going to give it a stir. All right, it smells good. Definitely garlicky. Definitely got Parmesan flavor there. Chicken is good. Little crushed red pepper flake on top. It's very good as what it is. It's very simple to make. Throw the chicken in, this wing sauce, some milk, some cheese. Very simple to make. It's kind of like a meaty, I don't know, mac and cheese with garlic in it. Not everybody's gonna like this, but if you like Parmesan and garlic chicken wings especially, or if you like garlicky pasta, or pasta in general, this is a good dish. I know I'm gonna make this again for myself because it's stupid easy and I like the way it tastes. So I'm not sure if my dad's gonna eat it. A little spicy, but we'll give him a shot here in a bit. But for me, I'm gonna eat it. My mom probably will eat it, and we will see you on the next episode. Thank you for watching and have a great day.